Another day cruising the mountains out here in the Honda with the Riot, and I've been riding the trail here for a couple miles. Doing a little exploring today. Once again, just riding solo, so you know, fingers crossed we're not getting stuck or getting caught in an avalanche. Lots of fresh snow, so hopefully we can get into some good stuff. We'll see where this takes us. Never been up here before. If you haven't already, follow Wild Moto on Instagram. Check it out. All the other links down in the description. Thanks. Let's get to it. I had to keep the bike upright. It was a close one. Yeah, down to the bar, man. See? Could have just stopped. Could have done the smart thing. All right, a few minutes of digging. These little spots right here, the couple holes that went down about 5 feet, so kind of plug all those up. But yeah, we're making bad decisions today. One thing I've noticed is because my local gym has been closed like half the year, I'm a little weak. You know, those deadlifts, they come in handy when you're trying to rip the bike out of the snow. I hate to be a whiner, but my campsite would be absolutely dominating by now. For now, I'm just gonna put the clickers down the middle. Seems like this guy is just a absolute trencher. We'll see how it does as the season goes on. This is pretty fresh, heavy stuff, no solid base, but you know, I'd expect a little bit more. We got out here at like 2:30, so probably play around a little bit more, start heading back so we don't get caught out here after dark solo. Beautiful park job, huh? Beautiful. All right, what do you think? You can climb up there? I'll give it a shot. All my gear on and everything. Ooh. Ow. Good thing I'm wearing a helmet. So which one do we... Shit, that's a pretty long drop there. Oh no. There we go. Boom. Just go for it. Should just go for it. And hopefully I don't slip off. Ah. Woo! All right. I'm going. Oh, pretty sweet.
Here we go.
Dude. Mistakes. Get to digging, I guess. You know, when you're out solo, one too many of these stucks can really ruin your day. I mean, if you get stuck down here at the bottom of a creek and it's sunset's coming up, just like me right now, you could turn into having a really bad night. Like, imagine coming down here and tipping over into there solo and your bike's on top of you. I mean, you're screwed.